On this video today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to make $1,000 online from home as a complete beginner with zero skills and without any experience. This method is not free, but it is worth it. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPA Grip accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are offers that you can promote on CPA Grip to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote to earn money on CPA Grip. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a country whereby you can get offers that have a higher payout, so that when you promote them, you can earn a lot of money per every lead that you get. So just come right here, search for Switzerland. As you can see it right here. As you can see, it is still loading, so we are going to wait for it to load the offers so that we can see which one that we want to promote. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote in Switzerland to make money from home anytime you get a lead. You can see this offer right here. If you get a lead, you are going to be earning $2.39. You can see this one right here, $2.39. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote to people in Switzerland so that you can be earning money. You can see this one right here, $20.53 per every lead that you get. You can see $12.31 per every lead that you get. These are offers that you can promote to make money. You only need your potential visitors to take a specific action so that you can be earning money on CPA Grip. You can see this offer right here, Pin Submit. So what your potential visitor has to do is that he or she has to enter a mobile number. So once they enter it, you are going to be earning $12.74. There are many of them that you can promote. As I scroll, a whole lot of them. You can see many of them. Before you promote these offers, there are factors that you must consider. One of them is that you have to check the requirement. You can see this one right here. The offer has to be completed on a mobile device, but you can see that not all mobile device. And they have to submit a PIN, that is their mobile numbers. You can see this one right here, mobile installs. So your potential visitor has to install a mobile app before you can earn the payout right here. When you come to this offer, you can see mobile all. So this offer is allowed on all mobile devices. There are no restrictions. You can see Pin Submit. So your potential visitor has to enter his or her mobile number. Once they do so, you are going to be earning the payout right here. You can see this one, the offer must be completed on a desktop. They are not allowed to complete it on a mobile device. They have to complete it on a desktop. You can see right here, Pin Submit. So they have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to the offer right here. Once they enter their mobile numbers to get access to the offer, you are going to be earning the payout right here. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one of these offers that is highly converting so that you can promote it. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this offer right here. Payout is $16.42. So you can see the requirement. It is allowed on all mobile devices. You can see your potential visitor has to enter a PIN, that is a mobile number. So once they do so, you are going to be earning the payout right here. You can see my performance rate is 8%. So now to promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to just click on the name of the offer right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see your potential visitor has to just submit their details so that they can get the chance to watch World Cup Qatar 2022. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting this particular offer. You have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from Switzerland to complete the offer for you to make money. If you don't understand any of these texts, you can use Google Translate to translate the text to the language that you understand. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to highlight it and then copy it so that I can demonstrate for you to see. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on Google Translate and then paste your text right here. As you can see, this is the meaning of the text. Watch the World Cup. So it's just simple as that. So now once we know what the offer is about, the next step is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people from Switzerland to complete the offer for us to make money. There are two types of traffic sources that you can use. We have free traffic source and then paid traffic source. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to show you the paid traffic source because that brings fast results. If you want quick results, you have to use the paid traffic source so that you can be getting a lot of conversion. So what you have to do is that you're going to come on this website, Taklo.co. This website is an advertising platform that you can use to promote your offers. As you can see, they have different ad formats that you can use. You can see they have push notifications, in-page push, pop unders, and then banners. So whatever ad format that you want, you can use it to promote your offer on this platform. It is available worldwide. You can see many countries. As I scroll down, you can see the cost per click is very low. You can see as little as 0.0001 cent you can get a click on this website. So if you invest $10, you are going to get thousands of clicks. So once you get thousands of clicks, many of them are going to enter their details for you to make money on CPA Grip. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your account. So just come right here, launch campaign. If you want to advertise, don't select this option. Select this one right here, launch campaigns. Once you click on that, you are going to sign up for your free account so that you can begin advertising your links on this platform. I'm going to log into my accounts so that I can show you everything that you need to know. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have just come right here, click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to give a name to your campaign. But before you start a campaign, you have to just come right here, click on add funds so that you can add funds to your accounts. Once you add the funds, you are going to see your balance right here. So once you add funds, you can start your campaign. So first of all, you are going to give a name to your campaign. So this one, I'm just going to type test. Let's say test campaign. So this one, test campaign. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to choose the ad format. You can see push, see in-page push, and then pop under. So any of them that you want, you can just select it. I'm going to use the first one right here, push. Once that is done, you are going to select your pricing model. You can see CPC, that is cost per click. So anytime you get a click, this website is going to charge you for that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see traffic type. You can choose dating traffic and then mainstream. So if you want, you can just select all. I would like to select all. Once that is done, you are going to enter the target URL. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So just go back to CPA Grip, copy your affiliate link and then paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to come right here, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see impression capping, clicks capping. So if you want to limit the number of people who will see your ad per day, you can switch it on. If you want to control the number of clicks you get per day, you can switch it on right here. But I don't want to restrict any of them, so just leave it as it is. Once that is done, you are going to give a title to your campaign. So just go back to CPA Grip, copy the title of the offer and then paste it right here. So just come back to CPA Grip. Once you're on CPA Grip, just highlight the title of the offer and then copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. You can see message. So you have to paste a message here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come right here. You can see there's a message right here. So just highlight and copy this particular message. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your message, the next step is that you are going to upload an image. You can see icon, you can see image. So just upload the image. To get an image, you have to just come back to the offer. Once you are on the offer, just place your pointer right here, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as so that you can save the image of the offer. Once you've saved the image of the offer, just come right here, click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, you are going to select your image, click on open and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, we need to crop it, so we can just crop this particular area. So just highlight this particular portion, click on crop so that you can crop the image. As you can see, this is the image. Once you've uploaded the image, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here push buttons, you can see push badge. You are not going to touch it. The most important thing is that you have to select the device right here. You can see targeting and byte. You can see platform. This is very important because some of the offers are not allowed on mobile devices. Some of them are not also allowed on desktop. So what you have to do is that you have to go back to CPA Grip and then check the requirement before you select the platform. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you can see this offer is only allowed on mobile devices. So we are going to select a mobile device. So just select mobile device. Once you've chosen the platform, you can see operating systems. You can see the offer is allowed on all operating systems. So you are going to go back and then leave it like this. If it is not allowed on all operating systems, you can just click on it and then select the appropriate one. But this one is allowed, so you are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the country. So just click right here so that you can select the country. When you come here, you can see the offer is only allowed in Switzerland. So you are going to select Switzerland. So when you come back, you are going to search for Switzerland. You can just type the name right here. You can see this is Switzerland. So just click on it. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here, cost per click, that is CPC. So you are going to determine how much you are going to pay per every click that you get. You can see this is their recommendation. If you want, you can select it. If you don't want, you are going to leave it like this. When you come here, you can see this is the minimum cost per click. If you want, you can select that. I'm going to select the average. Once that is done, you can see advanced targeting. Just click on it. You can see the language. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the appropriate language so that we can get the right people to click through our ad and then take the action. As you can see on Google Translate, language detected German, so you are going to select German. So just come back to your ad, and what you are going to do is that you are going to select German. So just type German right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the language, you are going to select advertising budget. How much are you willing to spend per day? So you can see daily campaign budget. You can see total campaign budget. When you enter a figure here, you are telling them the amount that you want to spend per day. But when you enter a figure right here, you are telling them the total amount that you are willing to spend on your ad. So just select $20. I think that is okay. You can just ignore this particular area. Once you've entered the details, you can just come right here, click on preview so that you can look at how your ad is going to appear. So just click on preview. Once you click on preview, you can see this is how your ad is going to appear on Chrome. You can see it right here. So anytime people see your ad like this, they can click through. Once they click through and then take the action, you are going to be earning money on CPA Grip. So this is the preview of the ad. Once you have entered all the details accurately, the next step is that you are going to come right here, click on create campaign so that your campaign can go live onto this platform. But I already have the same campaign on this platform, so I'm not going to click on create again because that will be an ad duplicate. In your case, just click on create campaign so that your campaign can go live onto the platform for you to get people to click through your ad and then take the necessary action for you to make money on CPA Grip. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button